All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm in the house with the Reate Knives K2 here with me for a quick maintenance video. But hey, don't forget to like this video and you know what? Subscribe to the channel if you want to. This is already a fantastic action. I mean, look at that. There's no need to tune anything because... And the sound, guys. Fantastic, but we want to just clean it up and see how this guy looks on the inside. So we're just gonna need a Torx bit driver. I think actually that is a T10. Here you go, T10 for the pivot, but we're gonna have a T8 for the handle, right? Yes, we do. So we're gonna start from the handle screws. The distal one, and then you got this one going through the backspacer, geared, nicely done. And here we got the T10 for the pivot screws, which is, look at that, it's spinning. So we're gonna need two of these bits. And that's the other one right over here. So just hold it like that. On one side goes in. Make sure it's like just firm, your grip, and gently tackle the other side like that. So holding everything in place that nothing slips. So always do these things in safety. So now this is good. And slowly removing the pivot and having, now this guy's gonna pop open nicely like that. Multi-row ceramic ball bearings, blade right here, done. So we are in business now. Let's get some rubbing alcohol right over here on a microfiber cloth just to clean everything here. So basically you clean your bearings, which look pretty clean to me. Nice, let's see. Pretty cool, multi-row. Kind of like Sienkiewicz design going on here. And then you clean the tracks. You clean the washers inside of the scales. And this pivot here. You clean the pockets. Remove all the gunk from the scales. Don't lose any pivot. Scales are done, and then you can do the blade tracks, tang, detent ball track, and we are done. Look at that. Then we go backwards basically and take this guy. So the pivot is spinning, so it doesn't really matter where we start. So we can do that, and then we got some 10 weight, 3 drops of nano oil. Blade goes in like so, and that is in. We're gonna do the stop pin on this side right there, and then you do another like 3 drops for the other bearing track like so, and then you got the non-skeletonized scale going in like that. So here actually we can let me see here, we can start with the handle screws. Actually, I'm just gonna start with the pivot to keep everything together, but I will add just a tiny bit of blue Loctite on the thread like so, and then here we are. That's no tension. You see, I unloaded the tension on the lock bar, and then you just do the pivot, which is of course not fully tightened. It's just like to keep everything in place, nice and comfy for the handle screws. This guy is going here, and this is in, and this guy also is in. Don't over tighten that, never. Then I think we need a little bit of heavier weight nano oil on the detent ball, just like a smidge like that, not much. And that is gonna be going to get spread around the track. I see already, like, yeah, there's blade play, so we're gonna have to, but it's, you see, look, blade is already center, so that's pretty good. Okay, so you're gonna need another 2 screwdrivers because the nature of the non-spinning pivot. And here we go with no blade play, with some nice and gliding action, guys. Actually, this is very nice. I think we can maybe release a little bit, still centered. Very cool. Look at that. Now we're talking. Now we're talking about some really cool and smooth action. And this is how you perfect your Reate knives K2 right here. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.